Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily get a receipt from Agoda. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Agoda, I need you to click the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, a receipt helps you keep accurate financial records, whether for personal budgeting or business expenses. It's very essential for reimbursing work-related travel expenses. It acts as a proof that you have paid for your booking. It's very useful in case of any discrepancies or disputes regarding your booking or payment. So, for example, you have booked a flight going to Las Vegas, right? And then after successfully paying that on the checkout process, what will happen is that this one right here, for example, you wanted to book this one. You see the next final step, all right? Now, what will happen is you would be asked on the payment method if you're using a Visa or monthly payments for Bill Ease, Discover, and a lot more, all right? Now, as you can see, the idea is once you have successfully booked a flight here on the Agoda, anything from flight details to a reservation for your hotel and room rates, they will send you a confirmation to your booking to the email address that you have associated your account to Agoda. After that, when you click on the book now process, you should be able to see something. That is the very easy and straightforward process for you to get a receipt from Agoda. Basically, they will give you the receipt of how much is it and how much are going to be billed to your credit card or to your bank issuer. All right. In case you don't receive any receipt, all you're going to do from here is you can simply go to Agoda Help Desk Center. And from here, there's a lot of options that you can choose. But mainly, if you can't find it, just click on the Contact Agoda Customer Service. Right? You can get quick answers, contact properties for Agoda customer service, and as you can see, there's going to be the option here. Right? Tell them you're having problems getting receipt from your previous booking here in Agoda. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.